Money won't come overnight, but with the help of law of attraction and spells, you can make the universe work for you and make a little money. Take 5 cinnamon sticks. Peel of banana. 1 liter of tap water. A candle. A sprinkler. Procedure. Step 1. Bring cinnamon and banana peel to a boil in the liter of natural water for 15 minutes. Step 2. Wait for the preparation to cool, strain and pour into a sprayer. Step 3. Light the candle in the main room, the living room, and start spraying all the rooms in your house, saying the following. Lord, assist me in this moment to progress in life, so that my ways may be opened. Grant me clarity and perseverance, to achieve my purposes. So be it, so be it, so be it. Step 4. When finished, leave the candle on for at least an hour, don't blow it, smother it with a candle blower or spoon. You will do this spell on a Friday and Saturday from 5 o'clock in the afternoon, as many weeks as you wish. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips and videos, subscribe to the channel.